Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, so we have some scores here in the chat box. 22, 27, na tapos 40. Oh, I mean, perfect. That's now perfect. That's very, very good. Was just bump to G2. And okay, so now we're back to Echo. Welcome class big quiz and class big quiz and class big quiz. So yung diagnostic test number 2 is more of an elaboration sa positive negative numbers because as we proceed sa ating algebra equations is dyan kasi magagaling yung technique natin. There is something na pwede natin solve using the actual laws, but if you want to use the shortcut sa algebra equations is positive negative numbers yung magpamatter. So yun yung diagnostic test number 2 natin. However, for tonight, hindi lang tayo about positive and negative numbers. So we have another diagnostic test for 30 minutes. Yung kapal we took us 45 minutes or 1 hour. But ngayon, dalawang separate exams na siya. Tapos yun ay una. Itong pangalawa will be about decimals, algebraic expressions, and the basic algebra equations. So I'm gonna send another exam, diagnostic test number 3. This will be up until 8 or 5 p.m. Please answer this. This will become the other half of our tutorial sessions for today. So let's send the link. We're waiting for the other people. Ayan, okay. So this is a total of 52 points, 53 pala. Para sasagutan natin siya sa loob ng 30 minutes. Sige, let's make it 35. But most kasi dito is talagang nabilisan lang. So it will test that kung gano'n kayo kapabilis mag-usap. So, Sir Ios, can you play 30 minutes na timer, Sir Ios? So I'm gonna send this link. That's fine. So here's our second diagnostic for tonight. Okay, so if it's working, man, check this out. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. So step blocks and stuff, and you have access it. Okay, it's good. So for the diagnostic test, this will be the first diagnostic test na hindi lahat is may choices because sa review natin is yeah, we are training for the exam pero we're still 7 weeks before the exam. Within February, lahat ng exam sa atin is may choices na pero for now, while perfecting din yung medical subsection, pa-practicein ko kayong mag-isip unang wala sa choices. Like, paano siya isa-solve? Kasi mahirap if dependent lang tayo lagi sa choices. Okay, so this will be the first diagnostic test na walang choices. Just write your answers in some of the questions. Kakasend ko lang sa kanya. If you have any questions, drop nyo lang here sa Gmeet or sa GC. Good luck, everyone. Ayan. So, good evening, everyone. We're back. Let me just load my whiteboard. Kamusta yung diagnostic test number 3? Can you check your score sa ating test number 3? Yeah. Okay, hang on. Let me just wait for someone. Hirap sir kahit muna. Yeah. Action natin. So, kapit lang. Hey, sir. So, ayan. Sa mga nag-ask if... Sige, may wait lang. Chat ko lang si... Sino yun? Gets. Can we just check the scores? Let me see. Okay, bump lang ako sa GC para makabalik na rin yung iba. Right.
Good evening po, sir. Sir, walang sound.
Hey, hello, hello. Ayan, hello. Sorry, rinig na. Ayan, may sound na. Okay. So, ayan, good evening. Welcome again. So, as I was saying, may mga nag-chat if meron kayong naging problem sa exam, like for example, there's someone na hindi nakitang 4 pages para yung exam, and since yung mga diagnostic tests natin is nagiging basis for the Karame system, which is introduced ka later, pwede nyo naman siyang i-retake or i-continue. Just magsabi lang kayo sa akin. And meron din isa na nagsabi na nasa hospital siya right now, so di makafocus sa exam. So if may mga ganong instances, you can focus on the review muna. Tapos, balikan lang natin yung diagnostic test ninyo kasi nga, magiging basis yun for the Karami system. Yung mga ganon, basta huwag kayo mahiya, magsabi lang kayo sa akin, okay? So now let's open the exam. Let's just check this one. Door. Ayan. Okay. So, let me just check the chat box. Can you chat sa chat box anong score ninyo? Yung mga nakatapos, anong score ninyo? Gusto ko lang makita. Over 52 siya, right? Ay, hindi. Actually, over 52, kalahati lang ata doon yung may tamang sagot kasi yung iba is subjective. Like, I mean, especially dun sa variables, even if magkaiba kayo ng space or something, is mahirap siyang ilagay lahat ng possible permutations ng sagot. So, isa-isa naman yung pag-check dun later. Right now is, buksan natin yung examination. Let's check. So, for the remaining time, we have probably 1.5 hours of tutorials. Hatiin natin siya sa first, positive and negative world. Tapos, short lang tayo sa decimals. Then, pumunta tayo sa algebra. Yung introduction tayo sa variable system. Tapos, saka natin i-open yung rows of equations and then solving for x sa dulo. If ever maabot na natin ng time. So, ganyan magiging flow natin right now. So, okay, this one. Ito siya my screen, tapos start na tayo. One diagnostic 2. Okay. So dito sa positive and negative world, medyo nag-jump pala tayo kagabi. Kaya baka maraming nalito. So sisimulan natin sa dalawahan lang, tapos babalik natin yung tatluhan na in-explain ko kahapon. Okay. So share my screen. Okay, wait. Loading lang yung ating malupit na whiteboard. While loading, let me just ask pala, lahat pa lang nandito is, yung mga enrolled na sa class Bagwis Big Kiss, i-forward akong Facebook link sa GC. Please check if nakapag-comment na kayo dito kasi this is not just for publicity. Na-monitor namin if sino yung mga active na uma-attend sa classes and such. So, isa to sa mga, ayan, 18 na. So, alam ko na sa 40 plus na yung nag-enroll and 18 pa lang yung nagka-comment. So, I'm gonna send this Facebook link sa GC. If hindi pa kayo nagko-comment, your class and then location, please comment na right now while waiting. Sa mga enrolled lang to. Ayan. And if di pa kayo nagko-comment, please enroll your location and go class and location. So, class Bagwis or class Big Keys. And let me share my magical screen. Okay, so start ulit tayo sa positive and negative world. I'm just gonna do some clarifications sa mga nangyari kahapon kasi masyado yatang nabigla yung iba sa like 3-year operations agad tayo somehow. So, diagnostic test number 2 natin, literally, nag-start tayo from the basics. Binalikan natin yung pinakasimpleng plus and plus, plus and minus, minus, plus, 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 minus. And yun yung papakita natin ngayon. So dito, we have 40 responses. So nag-start tayo dito rin. So let me get this screenshot. Screen. Kita na ba screen ko? Loading pa. Loading pa yata. Kita na ba yung screen ko, guys? Or loading pa rin siya?
Loading pa din, sir. Yung logo lang po ng letter R ang meron.
Okay.
Letter R lang ang meron po.
Okay. Let's see what's the problem. Wow. Okay, wait. Let's start ko lang itong white. Ayaw pa rin. Teka.
Nawala, sir.
Okay. Load ko lang ulit. Ayan, nakikita na.
Yes, sir.
Yes po, kita na.
Ayan, okay. So, dito tayo magsimula sa mga given. Hirap basahin para ito. So, okay. Hinga muna tayo saglit, tapos babalik natin yung pinakang basics ng plus and minus, tapos saka tayo babalik dun sa nangyari kahapon na what if may dalawang operation na magkatabi. Okay? So, charot. Hey, I think yung using Spark pala. Wrong software. Software. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So, summarize ko lang yung rules. So, if we have, for example, the most basic kasi dyan, example natin yan, the most basic will be, pangit. Ay, sorry. Let me adjust for the last time. Okay, Jim. So, welcome to Data of Class Pag-Quiz Big Quiz. Magsisimula tayo sa pag-recap ng summarization ng ating plus and minus world. Dito muna tayo sa dalawang operations lang, tapos what if may magkakadikit na ng operations. So, ang pinaka-basic kasi natin is simply plus. Simula elementary, right? If we have 15 plus 8, that's just gonna be 23. Tapos, if 15 minus 8, that's gonna be 7. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali if isa-isa. Pero if sinamahan na natin siya ng negative, ganito yung mangyayari dyan. If you have 15 plus 8, that's gonna be 23. If we have negative 15 minus 8, ano siyang magiging sagot dyan? It's gonna be negative 23. Sa number line natin, ang mangyayari kasi dito, if dito tayo, this is 15, tapos plus 8, move tayo 8 units, it's gonna be 23. Okay? Dito naman sa kabila, if this is negative 15, ang negative means pupunta siya sa kaliwa, so mag-move tayo pa ganun ng 8 units pa. So it's gonna be negative 23. So, ang technique lang dyan, if you could imagine, I really want you to imagine, positive is moving to the right, negative is moving to the left. So, madadagdag siya dito pag ganun. But if you don't want to imagine, you just want the numerical rules, ang mangyari lang dyan, if same sign, just add and copy. Okay? Kasi 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8 is 23. Dito naman, negative 15 minus negative 8. Just add this, 15 plus 8, it's 23. Tapos i-copy ninyo yung negative sign. Okay? Then if magkaiba naman tayo, ganito naman yung mangyayari dyan. Ano mahirap na magkaiba dito? For example, if we have negative 15 plus 8, tapos sa kabila is 15 minus, dito na lang pala yun. If we have 15 plus 8, sorry. We have 15 minus 8 and negative 15 plus 8. So, sa number line natin, ang mangyayari dito is 15, tapos minus, pupunta siya sa kaliwa, minus 8. So, matitira dyan is 7. Tapos, ito naman sa kabila, nandito tayo sa number line natin na nandito siya sa negative 15, tapos plus 8 so pupunta siya sa kanan. So, 15 plus 8, bali may matitira sa kanyang negative pa rin na negative 7. Siya yung imagination niya. But if you want na numerical rules lang siya, magiging ano dyan, if different signs, just zoom out a bit pala. Yan. If different signs, sinabi ko na rin to kahapon, pero hindi ko siya nalinaw explicitly like this. You just get the difference or subtract. Tapos, copy bigger. Kasi, if may imagine nyo kasi, for example dito, negative 15 plus 8. From negative 15, nag-move siya ng 8 doon, pero kapos pa din siya para makatawid sa negative world. Like, dito pa yung 0 eh. Hindi siya makakaalis sa negative world. So, what you're gonna do is just subtract 15 minus 8. That's gonna be 7. Tapos, kopyahin niyo yung kung ano yung mas malaki yung sign, which is negative 15. Why? Kasi it's not enough para tumawid sa kabilang mundo. Ganun lang siya. If magkaiba, subtract niyo yung difference, kahit magkabaliktad mo yan, just subtract it, the absolute value of the differences. Tapos, kopyahin niyo yung mas malaking sign. Kasi hindi siya enough para makatawid sa kabilang mundo. Dito naman, 15 minus 8, di ba, commonsensical, yes. Pero dito, if gagamitin niyo yung rule na to, this is positive 15, this is negative 8. So, subtract the 15 minus 8, 7, tas mas malaki yung positive. Okay? Questions. Gets? So, yun lang yung rule natin. If same sign, plus, minus, plus, minus, just add them. Tapos, pupunta kasi sila pare sa same direction eh. This is plus, pumunta siya sa right. This is negative na. It's negative 15 pa ulit. Negative na, negative 8 pa ulit. So, just add the values. 15 plus 8, 23. 15 plus 8, 23. Copyahin niyo lang yung negative sign kasi nandun naman sila eh. Dito, pag different sign, nagkakaroon ng change in direction eh. Pero, 15 minus 8 is 7. Dito, negative 15 plus 8, kunin niyo lang yung difference itong dalawa. 15 minus 8 is 7, tapos copy bigger. Kasi nandun siya sa world ng bigger. Okay, copy yung bigger number. So let's try it with the equations, with the problems. So may questions ba? Wala naman. Questions. So let's try this one. So 15 plus negative 8. O dito nagdalawa na siya. So, dito pala muna sa kabila. Mas madali pala po. Yeah. This one. So, ayan, practicein natin dito. Okay, dito muna tayo sa number 1 natin. Negative 15 minus 8. So, same sign sila. So, that's just gonna be 15 plus 8 is 23. Tapos, copyin nyo lang yung sign na yan. Okay, that's negative 23. Dito sa kabila, 15 minus 8. Common sense ka that's 7. You want the rule, magkaiba ng sign, copyin nyo lang yung positive kasi siya mas malaki. Tapos, difference sila is 7. Dito, negative 15 plus 8. Magkaiba sila ng signs, right? So, kunin nyo yung difference. 15 minus 8 is 7. Copyin nyo yung mas malaki, which is negative. So, negative 7. Gets? And if imagine niyo negative 15, 8 lang yung nawala sa kanya. Nasa negative world pa rin siya, which is negative 7. Dito naman, 15 plus negative 8. Dito na medyo magiging magulo. So, if plus negative 8, ito yung sinabi kong rules kahapon. If plus, tuloy lang yan. Copyan nyo lang kung ano yung kasunod. What's this? There's something loading. Wait. Wala na ako shapes. Okay. Anyways, yan. Wait. Let me see. Hang on. Ibang account kasi ginamit. Wait. Isin ko lang ito. Blessed chart. Ayan. Okay. Back. Okay. So, we're back. Ayan. Technical problems. Okay, sorry. Hindi kasi A yung ginamit yung email dito kasi nasa kabila yung AU. I'm just gonna delete some stuff here. Okay, we're back. I'll share my screen again. Okay, ayaw niya. Wait. Lipat ako ng email sa AU. Tapos, doon tayo magtuloy dito. Hang wait, lipat lang ako. Be right back. Okay, ayan. Ulit na naman. Hello, I'm back. So as I was saying, kung ano naman yung matapos natin sa up to 9 p.m. sa positive negative world is mag-jump tayo sa next lesson kasi hindi natin i-balance out. Diba sinabi ko dun sa lesson plan ng Wagwis Big Kiss, meron tayo main lesson 1, main lesson 2, or supporting lesson A, and then supporting lesson B. So ganun din distribute natin per session yung mga supporting lessons. Tapos nag-focus pa rin tayo lagi sa main lesson natin. So ang malaki lang dito sa positive negative world is yung umpisa kasi yung concepts plus yung dulo, which is yung difficult problem. So I think we're gonna jump some numbers later after this primary examples. So let me share my screen again. Wait, this one. Ayan, okay. Okay, wait lang ulit. Reload. Ano naman siya? Logo lang nakikita niya, no? What is happening with it?
Black lang siya, black.
Black. Okay. Ay, makasama sa atin internet tonight. May... What is happening? So, meron sa ating isa na may balat sa puwet. May balat. Ba tayo minamalas tonight? Hang on. Viewers, smooth naman yesterday.